Hey guys, just a very quick tutorial on how to get stuff out of Google Docs and into D2L for when I ask you to submit something in D2L. So you're in a Google Doc here, go up to File, go down to Download As Microsoft Word. It'll download, and you'll see it will actually save down to your computer. Come over to where your submission folder here. Let's say you're going to submit this. Wait for that to load, add a file. And all you have to do at this point, go to My Computer and hit Upload and figure out where you saved it. In this case, I saved it in Downloads, so I'm going to get down to the Downloads. It's right there. Hit Open. It actually loaded to 103%, which is kind of fascinating. And then just hit Submit, and you're out the door. Then that file has gone in. And if you've worked in Google Docs, it's totally fine. It'll translate it perfectly and submit it, okay? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.